So this is how you can fix missing file privileges on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Steam. Today you'll learn how to fix the missing file privileges bug that's been affecting everyone. So basically what you're gonna have to do is exit out of Steam and then go ahead and open it back up. And this just gives us a way to restart it easily. And if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and tap on the top left corner of the screen, this Steam logo, and then tapping on settings. Now, go to downloads, and maybe you can go ahead and try to change the download region to another region. Maybe that would be a better region for your downloads, and you can go ahead and scroll down. And then, this is the most important part, clear download cache. So, as you can see, it says clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So, simply tap on that and then tap on confirm. And once you do, it should fix the problem that we're facing right now. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.